What's up guys, today we have another unboxing video. So this one is a replacement phone from backmarket. So the issue in my previous video was that the phone was not unlocked. It was still connected to the Plus network, and whenever I had to use 4G, I always had to switch data roaming on, so it would charge me money like I was living outside of the country that that Plus network was on. So this is the replacement. This is just an unboxing. I don't know if it's charged. I want to give it a full charge before I do any testing. They returned the exact. So this is the cable that I returned. They just returned the same cable back to me. I don't see any pin. There is no pin, which makes it not handy. Yeah. Put the phone in this side. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G 128 G988B DS C+. C+ grade phone. Is this? Oh, a lot of damage to the side here. See all the dots there? That's all the damage. Damage here to the corner. Damage. Oh, there's a lot of damage. I just want to check if they did give me a pin. There's the pin. Just want to open this. Okay, I'm going to power it on. So this is definitely a different phone, because I'm just gonna try and angle this. Yeah, this is definitely a different phone, because in the previous phone there was a noticeable scratch across the screen here, and that's not evident in this one. Okay, next. 90% battery. Agree. Skip. Accept. Skip for now. Just let that load up. Skip. Don't need any Samsung services. I prefer the dark theme. Finish. Apps are ready. Got an eSIM. No, I don't. Google Play Protect is on. Okay, I need to go to the settings. Where is it? About 3.5. Okay. Status. It's great. Has all the default apps. Will I do a quick test? No, I need to set up this phone. Yeah, so far it's working fine out of the box. 90%, well, 89% battery now. Yeah, I'll have to set this up, but backmarket were really responsive and quick in getting the turnaround for this. So I explained the issue that the Plus network, so actually settings, they were very good in getting back to me when it came to fixing this. So I sent them a video showing that it was still locked to the Plus network, and they had a couple of options, but the best option was to return it to have a repair, but obviously it couldn't be repaired, so they sent me out a different device. Where is the network? I have to connect my SIM, that's why, and then test it out. Alright guys, let's leave it there. That's just the unboxing of the replacement phone that I got from backmarket. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.